right, good morning. This is pretty exciting. So today is the day. If you guys remember, a while back I came upon a little trove or a stash of VW buses here in Colorado, kind of northern Colorado. And I don't know how many there were, between buses, vanagons, bugs, Carmen Gias, I don't know, probably 40 cars, something like that. Maybe 10 of them buses. I made a deal on 2 of them. I made a deal on a Neptune Blue 71 Riviera, which I'm super excited about, as well as a Hoop Brown, I think that's the official color, with some OG stripes on it, 78, which is a non-walk-through and sunroof bus, original paint. So excited about both these guys. Today I'm extracting and or finishing the extraction and picking up the Riviera, which I love this stuff. So I'm pretty excited about it. Last time I went out there, I put wheels and tires on it, and the guy I'm buying them from, I think used his tractor to pull it out of the spot that it's been sleeping for the last 30 plus years. This is the bus that was owned by Patrick Hemingway, who is Ernest Hemingway's son, or one of his sons. So I geek out about stuff like that too, so I'm pretty excited about it. I just had a quick thought. So still on the way, we're about 10 minutes out, and part of me, when I think about this, I just think it's hilarious, because some people, when I tell them about doing things like this, they just don't get it. They're like, so you're gonna go get an old vehicle out of a field? And it's kind of like, why would you do that? But then other people, like me, I get crazy excited about this stuff, and I'm like, this bus has been sitting for 30 years. We're gonna revive it, like give it new life. And I just, man, I love stuff like that. So I'm pretty excited about it. I'm excited about giving this bus new life. All right, here we are. So here's the bus. Thankfully, all the tires are still aired up, so we're looking good. It is ready to roll. Right there. All right. And got most of the stuff that was inside it out, so I got tons of mouse turds and whatnot to clean up, but pretty stoked because it has the apron here. Got that guy, which we'll see how it's looking, and then spare tire cover. Yeah, this is awesome. Okay, cool. We got that guy, and then coming around here, all the heads and stuff that were in the back are out, but we got the firewall and some of these other bits and pieces that I'll need to put it together. So pretty cool. And right back here, there we go. No drivetrain, so we'll be fine just rolling it, flat towing it. I'll check these guys, make sure the bearings aren't all wonky front or rear, and we'll be okay. So did the quick tour, and I'm just gonna hook up the tow bar underneath right there, and then back the truck up to it, and we'll get rolling. All right, we're hooked up, ready to go. Okay, had to change into my straw hat. There we go. Ready to rock. Not gonna fall off, looking good. All right, we're looking good. Let's do this. I interrupt this awesome time lapse. I got my straw hat on. It was getting way too hot out there, but we got the bus. I'm open to names if you guys have any ideas for names, but we're hooked up, good to go. We had a little snag there where the tow bar was hitting the stabilizer, and so had to unhook that guy because the stabilizer was bent. But we're good now. We're on the road, rocking and rolling, and so I'm gonna turn the time lapse back on, and we're gonna take this guy, vacuum it out, clean it out a little bit, and then take it over to storage. So here we go.